Can you describe a challenging software development problem you faced and how you approached solving it?
Uh,
It
okay,
seems like
one of the challenging problems that I faced in my company was implementing AI models and inferencing them locally on mobile devices because AI models are very memory consuming. So it was a difficult challenge to make them run on mobile phones.
that sounds like a complex problem. How did you approach the challenge of optimizing and running AI models on mobile devices, given the memory constraints?
So in order to solve the memory constraints and battery constraints, what I did was I quantized the models into different quantization levels so that the model size reduces. But and I also distilled the models. So it was done in a way that the accuracy of the models does not decrease, but but accuracy of the model does not decrease, but the size of the models gets reduced by 4x. So this is what I use. So it solved memory constraints, and since inference time was also lowered, it also solved some battery constraints.
It's impressive that you were able to quantize and distill the models to reduce memory usage without compromising accuracy. Can you share more about the specific tools or frameworks you used for model quantization and distillation? Additionally, how did you test the models to ensure they met performance and accuracy requirements on mobile devices?
Okay. So the specific tools that I used was I used the PyTorch framework, PyTorch library in Python to distill the models, and also I used a specific library in the transformers model in order to distill the models. So this is the tech stack that I used, I would say. And apart from that, uh, yeah, this is it.
Great choice with PyTorch and the Transformers library. They offer powerful tools for model optimization and distillation. How did you go about testing the distilled models to ensure they met the performance and accuracy requirements on mobile devices? Were there any specific methods or tools you used for testing?
Yes. So for testing, we had a validation data set which we had to test on. So I tested on that particular data set and calculated the F1 scores to find the accuracy. So before accuracy, we had used an open source model called MobileNet. So before quantizing the models, the accuracy of the models was 95%, and after quantizing the models, the accuracy stayed at around 94.5%. So there wasn't any significant reduction in the model performance, but yeah, the size of the model was reduced by 4 times.
That's a solid result, achieving minimal accuracy loss while significantly reducing the model size. Leveraging MobileNet and maintaining a
Okay,
94
I'll
point
I'll end this now for demo purpose, but